Hey, how you guys doing? I'm Johnny, owner of Bermudagrass Lawn Care, and today what I'm going to do is paint my backyard. Yes, I'm going to paint my backyard, people. Something different, right? Yeah, I currently have common Bermuda, right? Common Bermuda grass goes dormant during the winter time. So I had a choice whether to overseed it with winter rye. So I decided to do something different. I reached out to the guys at Turfpaint, told them, hey, listen, I would love to put your product to the test. And Robin said, hey, why not? Let's do it, Johnny. Why not? So they sent me this, asking for their advice on what color will do best on my type of turf. This is the one that they advised me to go with, which is the Endurance Premium. And the way I'm mixing it is 8 ounces per gallon. And I have my 4-gallon container. Is a battery sprayer. Okay. And it is a Petra. And again, everything, guys, that you see here will be in the video description. And I also have my boots, my gloves, my container, and my paint mixer, right? So yeah, again, everything you see in here will be in the video description, and a link which will be in my Amazon store. So check it out, guys. You can easily use a pump, hand pump, or like this stuff, but I'm using this this sprayer, and I'm gonna paint my entire backyard, which is common Bermuda, right? And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along so you can see what it looks like. So we're gonna do a time lapse once I started to actually paint it. But like I said before, as of right now, 8 ounces per gallon, 4 gallons. So I'm gonna put 32 ounces of paint, 4 gallons of water. Now the way I'm gonna mix it, guys, is I'm gonna fill it halfway with water, put the 32 ounces of paint, mix it with my paint mixer, and then add the additional 4 gallons, okay? Again, if you have questions, guys, go to the website and ask. Let's begin. All right, guys, so here I just want to let you guys know that because it's my backyard and I was trying to kind of see, you know, get the flow of things, I did not use like a cardboard that would kind of stop me from actually spraying paint on the on my plant bed or anything like that. I just kind of freehanded. And another thing that I learned was to slow down and kind of take my time, in which I did not do, and you'll see once I go into this portion here. So what I mainly have to do, guys, is just kind of slow down, take my time, and get it down real nice and heavy. This way I won't have to redo it as many times as I did. And this is the end result, and this took me 4 times, going over it 4 times, which was unnecessary if I would have just slowed down. Now I know what I have to do, so therefore the front is going to look extremely well. And again, thank you to Turf Paint. Awesome, guys, appreciate you. Have a great one, and see you on the next video, which is the front yard. Pop smoke. Peace.